Hello! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch 3 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this device by using the phone app. First we need to open the HUAWEI Health app on our phone. Let's open it. In the app, let's tap on devices right here at the bottom. Select our HUAWEI Watch 3 Pro from the list of devices by tapping on it. Here, scroll down. And at the bottom you should have the Restore Factory Settings option. Tap on it, then tap on Restore. Now let's wake up the screen on our watch, and you should get the prompt on your watch, right here. Scroll down and tap on Reset Watch. Here you can check the box to delete eSIM data if you want to, or uncheck it if you don't, and then tap the check mark to confirm and start the resetting process. And now let's wait until the resetting process is complete. And when you see the list of languages on the screen of the watch, that means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.